How's it going? Doing good.
Are you guys going up for Sunset Happy?
Oh yeah, we are.
Okay, so you just want to go ahead and get right in line. So go up the ramp and they'll sell your ticket right before you board.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Peace, love, and blessings to everybody out there. Welcome back to the channel Just Like That. Today, in this episode, we're doing Sunset Happy Hour in Steamboat Springs, Colorado. And this is the final one. It's a lot of people here right now. Everybody lined up. You get on the line, going up for the Sunset Happy Hour. Yo. All right, y'all. So Steamboat Springs does Sunset Happy Hour in the summertime. It's usually on Thursdays and Sundays. How it works is you get a ticket. You know, you get in this good line right here. You take the gondola all the way up. There's 3 restaurants over there, but I think the one we go to is Thunderhead. So Thunderhead restaurant is where we go. So I'm gonna show you all the ride and everything after that. All right. Thanks for checking out, baby. Just say hi. Yes, it does take the pictures as well.
This is the ultimate. This is selfie stick on steroids.
Yeah. Where y'all from? Denver. First time in Steamboat? No. Okay. What's the occasion? Your birthday? Happy birthday! Say happy birthday! Say happy birthday, girl! One time for the birthday girl. All right. So y'all just came up here for the weekend?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Y'all come over here in the winter time too?
I have.
Yeah.
I like the summer better.
What do you prefer the summer, right? I do too. Yeah. I like snow.
Like walking up and down the strip is kind of not great. Yeah.
No, it's not that fun.
Yeah.
Not when it's like 20 below.
Yeah.
No. All right, so we are at the entrance of the line. Delmar have some tickets.
Yeah, bootleg tickets.
We don't know if it's gonna work. We don't know if it's gonna work.
We'll see.
We don't know if it works. I'll let y'all know. But I think he bought it from a scalper. You're a scammer. You see, big time scammer. All of them boys, Colorado, them live in Colorado. Scammer boy, all of them. Clothing company. Scammer boy, them.
You guys will need IDs.
I mean, can I have it back?
Alright, so you guys are all set.
All right, guys, have fun.
Thank you.
You ain't coming up?
I'm done.
What's up, man? Oh, man, what's up, bro? All right, so we about to board the gondola and ride up. Ultimate ride up, baby. Let's go. It's a steamboat.
Yeah.
All right.
Local, brother.
Taking this grandy ride up, baby.
You heard me? My ID.
Man said I'm Steamboat local.
Steamboat. You heard me? Don't you ever forget.
Yo.
Big battles.
Look, yeah, man, riding up the Gondola, you see all these houses up here, man. If you ever come to Steamboat Springs, man, you gotta check out Sunset Happy Hour, Thursdays and Sundays. We got on the Gondola at 5 o'clock to what time you say? 8?
Yes, sir.
We're flew in. They drove them in from wherever they were first and dropped them right here. But some of these houses now, look at these bad boys. Ooh.
Look at this one.
Right there. Let me see. Get some of this backdrop back here. The window right here is dirty as hell. Can't see too much, but y'all see how beautiful it is, man. Y'all know y'all gotta check it out when y'all come here. Ride the Gondola going up to Sunset Happy Hour.
You heard me? In my gym doing
Man, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna find out the price of it all because I don't know.
It's
Cause
$25.
oh, it's $25
Yeah.
per person. So 25
Or you get,
per person,
ski
or
pass.
I think you have a ski pass.
Or you try to get a medallion through
Yeah.
your lodging.
So if you have a ski pass for this season, you're good. It's free of charge, is from what I know. And a medallion is basically a pass that most businesses have here for people or employees who don't have a pass to go on a mountain and ride,
Yes,
or
special
guests,
guests or
special
owners.
guests or owners
Always
to go
ask.
ride. So you know you could always ask and see, but you have to always ask in advance because people are always asking, and then you know they get it and they have a list of days that people have it out. So
Or you just hit me up on the low.
Delmar's the plug now. So hit up Delmar. So that was the Christie Peak lift, and that Christie Peak lift will take you right up here, and then you can drop off at See Me where Delmar like to go.
Yep. And then you
But-
can take just as cut off.
But it's not all the, but you're not going all the way up here. And this run you see in front of the camera right here, this one is called Heavenly Days.
Heavenly Days.
This is the face of the mountain.
Yep.
If you know better, you don't come down the face of the mountain
Come on
at
now.
a certain time,
People sit down.
because everybody go on this. By the end of the day, it's usually ice. Yeah, you don't want to ride on ice.
If it's up, then it's up, then it's up.
What y'all think, man? Y'all like this? Y'all think it's beautiful? Oh, look. We got some people right here hiking. Yeah, so you know this mountain is closed right now for a lot of things, but they usually do. You could come up here and hike. Let's see. Yeah, you could come up here and hike. You can come up here and do mountain biking. They do a lot of mountain biking up here too as well. And yeah, you could just come and enjoy the mountain up here. And the trails would usually be open, but not this year because they're doing a whole 3-4 year remodeling of the mountain. So yeah, when that goes, I'll show y'all that too. So those things y'all see right there. Let's see. Yeah, right there where those people walking behind them. Those are the snowmakers right there. And that, they would start blowing snow as cold as it gets. If it could get like 34, 32, 33, they'll start blowing snow in like November. And they're all up and down the mountains. Alright, we at the top right now. So I can get off this gondola. Check out this beautiful top here. Let y'all see what who up here who we're gonna run into, but most of all, I want y'all to see the landscape, man. It's amazing. All right, get this thing open up.
Put it out there.
What up? No, that sun is out. Might block y'all a little, but look at this thing, huh? Beautiful. So we got the bartender area over here. Everybody lining to get some drinks.